17 in the Kakalaki, 25 miles in the Gray Street.
Hey, 17 in the Kakalakis. Pistol New York video gate. Hey, yo, 17 in the Kakalakis. Old Pistol Grip New York video gate. Pistol Grip 127 New York, back quiet. What'd you say? You said 12 grand around Tennessee? I don't know. I thought you said 12 grand around Tennessee. Hey, 12 grand. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York video game. Let it ride.
Weekend, man. Hope you have a good week coming up. Hey, 17. Yo, Top Gun 123 PM. How about a Pistol Grip break side of these smoky?
Yeah, come on, let's go. No, man. No, sir. You are in a hole. You throughout it, dude. You ended it really nice. That was a nice ending, man. I ain't gonna lie. That was good timing, man, because I kicked him off on 17, so it load up 19 or 25, so it load up 27. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York video game. Rock and roll. Hey, Top Gun. Hey, Top Gun, all up in the Pistol New York video gate. Audio. Hey, yo, Top Gun, you all up in the New York video gate? Old Pistol around New York, down and out. Yes, sir, I got that Pistol Grip New York video game rolling. Blizzard City number 8. I think this is Blizzard City number 8. I think this is Blizzard City number 8 with the blue tint. Oh, Blizzard City number 8. Pistol, rock it on.
Mr. Top Gun, once again, sounding good in my hood. Got a room full of you. Ain't nobody else there, Mr. Top Gun. 17 wheeler, once again, and we got him. Bye-bye. 17, no doubt, man. I appreciate you bumping it back to me. Oh, he's back and listen. He's back and listen. $41. Trust and trailer. Back and put the ear on him. See you, bye. Yeah. I ain't telling you, I went out there and got him.
Here I go. Audio. Here I go. Old Pistol around New York. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York video game. Rock it on. Hey, I ain't trying to cut nobody off. I ain't trying to cut nobody off. I'm trying to get them all up in my video gate. I ain't trying to cut nobody off. I want you all up in my New York video gate. Hello.
I'll call your name right quick. 804 North Carolina with the wave. You don't hear Pistol Grip, everybody got to go loud radio. Good down here around Tennessee.
Roger, right on. I got that Pistol New York video game rolling. I got that New York video game rolling. Old Pistol Grip, me and the stock mic hole in the wall. New York CB shop back wide.
Hey, Pistol Grip. North Carolina. I appreciate you guys right there.
Roger, right on, man. Well, you rocking that video game, man. Oh, link me up, man. Link me up through my YouTube channel, or just add at gmail.com. Old Pistol Grip 127 at gmail.com. Old Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Rock and roll. 333 Tennessee. About 5 minutes and 27 seconds in my video game. Hello.
Carolina, I'm standing by. Ain't no doubt. Let's get one
Oh man, that was a train wreck. I don't know what happened that time. That was a wholehearted train wreck around New York. Old Pistol Grip 127, New York City down now. Hey, 333. Hey, 333. Hey, 333. That's twice with the handball. Hello, welcome to the weekend, old 333. Blizzard City number 8. I gotta go. Hey, 7-Eleven, North Carolina. You sound good around my New York video gate. Audio. Hey, yo, 7-Eleven, North Carolina. You sound real good around my New York video gate. Old Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Down and out.
Pistol Grip, I don't get your video gate one last time. I keep saying one last time, man. It ain't one last time. Just one more time, man. Trying to get on there for you.
Hey, that's what I was trying to tell you, man. That's what I was trying to tell you. One more time, more like it. I said that's exactly what I was trying to tell you, bro. One more time, more like it. 804. Look at me.
What's one more time? One more time. We're just trying to do a natural thing down here in Carolina while Mother Nature lets us loose. Pistol Grip. I'm taking over your video right here.
Don't let me stop you. Don't let me stop you. Don't let me stop you. I got the gate so y'all can take it over. Don't let me stop you. I got the gate just so y'all can take it over. Old Pistol around New York. Down and out.
Yeah, you gonna keep on Hey, Pistol, man, I got about a 20 dB carrier ran down here in Carolina, and you're just coming to the top of it. Got some water heat on that, it's a little scratchy, but bear in mind. Go on, John. I got the gate so y'all can take it over. Don't let me stop you. I got the gate so y'all can take it over. Pistol Grip, you doing a good job, break.
Well, I'll tell you what, if I'm dropping over a 20 dB carrier in your video game like that, if I'm dropping over a 20 like that, I better not complain, man. I said I'm half driving and half stepping this antenna height, man. Oh, 804, thank you.
That's just Pistol, man. I gotta get my thing somewhere else here. Have it good up there around New York, my man. Put it on you later, 804. I gotta go. Bye. See you now.
Roger, Roger.
Hey, KP68, I got it that time, man. Hey, KP68, man, you're sounding 10-8 down here. No doubt I've caught your video gates online. You're doing a fantastic job, man. Keep it up. Would you keep on? Would you keep it on? If I sound half as good as you do, I believe I'll lock it all down. Hey, KP68, boss man in the band since 73. And have a good round.
Hey, boss man, it's been a while. Pistol around New York video gate. Audio. Hey, yo, boss man in the band, it's been a while. Old Pistol New York video gate. Boss man in the band, Pistol got down.
8713. I came mess with that snow, man. You know, I'm down here in South Alabama. And 713, you know, we don't fool with that snow down here, man. We might have to doggone outrun a hurricane. But we try not to mess with that snow down this way. Now, it is going to be 23 degrees tonight. But I ain't fooling with none of that snow, and that's for doggone real. Hey, 713, good evening time to you. Boss Man, South Alabama, waving breaker.
I can't put it in Boss Man Radio tonight. Audio. Hey, yo, Boss Man around the Bam, old pistol around New York. Hey, yo, Boss Man, it's been a while, old pistol video game New York. Boss in the Bam, old pistol New York, rock it on.
Alright, 713, good evening time to you, man. We're going to get this old talk show started off.
Check.
Hey, 713, y'all kick back up there, man, and try to stay out of that doggone snow. That's for real. Boss Man, South Alabama, working this antique radio.